Welcome, in front of me is the Honor 7A, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into download mode. So to get started, you'll need the cable that you use for charging, have it plugged into your computer and ready somewhere on the side. And once that's ready, you can then proceed with the phone, shut it off by holding the power key. And while it's powering off, you can then plug it in with the cable. There we go. You can see it's automatically charging, so that's good. So from here, hold power volume up and down, both of the keys. And while holding volume up and down, you want to hold also power key so the device turns on. So right now you can let go of the power and keep holding volume up and down. And you can see we're now in the download mode. Now I'm gonna unplug it. I'm not actually installing anything, this is just a showcase. So you'll see right now it says software installation failed. That's because there is nothing really being installed on the device. Normally you would actually try to install something, so that's why it gives me the message. And you'd also want it to be plugged in, unlike what I just did. But that is how you would enter it, and from there you can install some updates and stuff like that. And yeah, now if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is just tap on the Reboot System Now button right here, and that's about it. So let's wait for it to turn back on. You can see it, we're now back in the Android system. So that is how you would enter and also leave the download mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.